Are you tired of scooping messy cat litter every single day? Looking for a smart automatic solution that keeps your home cleaner and odor-free? Well, you're in the right place. Today we are reviewing the top 5 best automatic cat litter boxes, perfect for busy cat parents and multi-cat households. Please watch the full video to know which product is the best, because our number 1 pick offers incredible convenience, odor control, and value that most cat owners don't want to miss. Let's begin starting with number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. Number 5. CATLINK Litter Box. At number 5, we have the CATLINK Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box Young version, designed for cats between 3.5 to 22 pounds. It includes auto safety sensors that pause cleaning whenever your cat enters and a double odor removal system to keep your home smelling fresh. It also includes trash bags for hygiene and easier disposal. Pros: safe for small and large cats. Double odor removal design. Great for apartments or small rooms. Low maintenance waste removal. A solid choice for cat owners who want freshness and safety in a budget-friendly automatic litter box. Number 4. PetSnowy Litter Box. At number 4 is the PetSnowy 2025 Premium Self-Cleaning Litter Box, a highly advanced model with a TiO2 odor control system, great for eliminating odors at the molecular level. It features auto-packing, app control, and is ideal for larger multiple cats. Pros: TiO2 advanced odor reduction technology. Auto-packing for hands-free disposal. Spacious for larger cat breeds. Excellent app monitoring and control. Perfect for cat parents who want next-level odor control and premium litter automation. Number 3. Self-Cleaning Litter Box. At number 3, we have an open-top self-cleaning cat litter box designed for cats that don't like enclosed spaces. It includes integrated safety protection and works great for multi-cat homes. Its open-top design helps reduce stress for anxious cats and makes it easier to transition from a traditional litter box. Pros: open-top design for cats who dislike enclosed boxes. Automatic cleaning for low-maintenance care. Built-in safety sensors stop cleaning when a cat enters. Great for older or sensitive cats. A great option if your cat refuses covered litter boxes. Number 2. FEELNEEDY Litter Box. At number 2, the FEELNEEDY Odor Control Robot Litter Box stands out with its adorable cat ear design and a large 65L internal capacity, ideal for multiple cats. It features strong odor management, real-time app monitoring, and safety sensors to protect your cat during cleaning cycles. Pros: large 65L space for multiple cats. Excellent odor control system. Real-time monitoring via app. Cute cat ear design fits modern homes. A great blend of capacity, technology, and style. Number 1. Automatic Litter Box. And finally, taking our number 1 spot, the best automatic cat litter box of 2025 is this self-cleaning litter box with app control and washable liner. It offers a large capacity for multiple cats, safety sensors, a removable and washable liner to make cleaning easier, and includes 2 rolls of garbage bags, which saves money over time. The smart app control system lets you monitor cleaning cycles and litter status from anywhere. Pros: ideal for multi-cat households. Washable liner equals easier cleaning and less odor. App control with real-time alerts. Includes extra garbage bags for convenience. Overall, this is the best product because it delivers the perfect balance of capacity, odor control, smart features, and easy maintenance, making it the best choice for cat owners who want true hands-free litter cleaning. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. So there you have it, the top 5 best automatic cat litter boxes. Each one offers unique benefits, but if you want the best overall experience, our number 1 pick is the top recommendation for the cleanest, easiest cat care. Let me know in the comments. Which automatic litter box would you choose for your cats? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our next tech review. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, fresher home for you and your cats.